This is how to join device to Entra ID. From your Microsoft Entra Admin Center, go to Users and select the user you want to connect. I'll choose this first one. And from your Windows, go to Search and go to Access, Work, or School. Then click Connect. Enter the email address of the Entra ID user. Click Next. Enter the password and click Sign In. And we will update our password and we'll click Sign In. And just click Done. And now we are connected to our Microsoft Entra ID. So this is how to join device to Entra ID.